Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Tea and Butterflies. Today we are working on some tiered tray decor, a little miniature spring lantern. I decided to kind of keep it, working a quick, easy project today, so that's what we're working on. I started out painting it with Waverly's celery, and I painted the whole lantern. It only took one coat. You could do 2 coats if you wanted a deeper color, but I liked what we had, so I just left it with 1 coat on there. I'm trying to work on doing like a spring tiered tray set. So this is the first one that I'm doing in that set. So I will be bringing more videos with the other pieces that I do in the set. And I'm really excited. Today, me and Dee Dee are going and looking at a space in one of our painted trees. So I'm gonna have to, if we decide to jump on that, then I'm gonna have to up my game with the crafting, and so is she. Yes, Dee Dee, I'm calling you out. But we've been wanting to get in a painted tree for a while now, and it's just kind of been, we've kind of hesitated because, you know, you're locked into a contract for, some of them are 6 months, some of them are a year, and there's like a monthly rental fee. So ultimately I would like to have a bigger, one of the bigger spaces, but we're going to start out with one of their shelving units and see how that goes, and then maybe move into a bigger space. So there's going to be some stuff that I create that will be available on our website, and then there's going to be some stuff that I create that'll be in our painted tree booths. So that is if we decide to go for it. I'm pretty convinced that I'm going for it, but you know, we're partners, so we both have to agree on it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have our stuff in a painted tree in Franklin, Tennessee in the very, very near future. The plus of doing the shelf space first is it gives us, a little bit of time to see how it goes, and it's a lower cost for the rent. But two, I realized that I don't have any general product, or not enough to fill a big space anyway. I have tons of fall, Christmas, the seasonal stuff, but I don't have any general everyday farmhouse stuff. So I'll be working on doing some of that too. And it's a smaller space to have to fill, so that may be a plus or it may be a negative, because sometimes we get on a roll but we'll see. We will see. So here I'm making a tiny lantern swag, and kind of having a little bit of a struggle with it, because when I make the bigger lantern swags, I can hold it all in my hand, get it together, and then zip tie it. But this one's tiny, so the zip tie and all that is not a possibility. So what I did was I bunched each side of the flowers on each side together, and ran a little bead of hot glue in there to hold them together in their individual bunches, and then I'll glue them on the lantern. But I'm really feeling like the greens, the pinks, and the purples this year. I don't know. I go through phases. I do. And for some reason, I decided I didn't distress this. I may go back and distress it. I don't know. We'll see what mood hits me. I have decided though that I am going to go back and on the top where the hanger is coming out, I think I'm going to take and put a bead on the top because most lanterns have like a finial or like a little decorative top to it. So I will probably go back and put a bead on there, and I may or may not keep the string on it. We'll see. But I did not have that thought process till I was going through and editing this video. So it may change up just a little bit. If you're new to our channel, thanks so much for stopping by. If you know, we would love it if you would like, subscribe, comment, share. When you hit the subscription button, don't forget to hit the little notification bell and choose how you want to be notified each time we upload new content. If you are already a subscriber, we thank you so much for continuing to support our channel. And if you've been watching for a little while, then you know that it's kind of a new thing for us. Things will get, the videos will get better and better as we get more practice at them. So we're very, very grateful for all of you that subscribe and support our channel. And we would be absolutely thrilled if any of the new watchers would subscribe as well. You can also follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. I will leave the links to all of those in the description box. We would love for you to follow us on all our socials. We also have a social group on our website for crafty chats and interaction where you can share your projects, share ideas, you know, all that good stuff. So we would love it if you would hop on over and subscribe to our group on our webpage too. A lot of our stuff that we make will be on the website. Like I said before though, we're looking at possibly getting into a painted tree. So I will probably, some of the stuff that I make in some of these next upcoming videos, maybe stuff that I plan on putting in there, and I don't want to cross post as far as I don't want to have stuff in the painted tree and on our website. The same stuff, because if it sells at the painted tree and I don't get immediate notification, then I can't take it down from the website, and then I look at the possibility of selling two of only one item. So but when I do those videos, I'll let you know whether it's in the painted tree or whether it's on our website. If it is in the painted tree and you're interested in purchasing it, just drop me a line and I can have them pull it where I can post it for you to buy. But we're just so grateful for you stopping by. Here's the final reveal here. Isn't that just so cute? Thanks all for watching. Have a great day.